This is the craziest custom Spider-Man setup that we have ever built. We hope you enjoy it. It has been many months, but we are finally complete, and I think it's about time that we took this setup for a bit of a test. Now, what better way to utilize the Aorus GeForce RTX 4080 Xtreme Waterforce WB graphics card than in some Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered and Marvel's Spider-Man Miles Morales, which is now available on PC. Let's bring out our DualSense PlayStation controller and connect it to the PC. So I'm gonna connect this to the PC wirelessly, and to do that, just hold both buttons until it starts blinking. So on PC, all you have to do is type in Bluetooth and then click it and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Click Add Bluetooth or other device. Click the Bluetooth section and select Wireless Controller to connect. In Steam, go to View, Big Picture Mode, Settings, Controller Settings, and make sure the PlayStation configuration support is enabled. You can see that it detects the PlayStation 5 controller. You can also go into preferences and play around with the features such as the LED color. Or you can connect it via USB. Oh nice, there's even a built-in speaker and microphone. Swinging through the city, 4K max settings. Check out that FPS up the top. We are getting around 100 to 110 FPS, which is pretty amazing for max settings 4K. But I want to see how ray tracing and DLSS looks and how the performance changes. So let's go ahead and enable that in game. Look at that FPS increase. We're getting around 125 to 135 FPS now. Oh, that's cool. You can see the cars across the road, people walking across the street as well in the glass reflection. That's awesome. Check this out, guys. So this is the reflection of the guy standing still on screen over there. Then you can see the car, which is right next to him as well. That is awesome. Here we go, I found some water. So you can see the reflection of the building lights down in the water there. That looks really nice. You can see all of the skyscraper lights and everything from all the apartments. Looks really sick on all the water. Now, just to give you guys an idea, let me go ahead and see if I can turn ray tracing off and we'll see what it looks like. So there you have it, guys. You can't see any of the lighting or anything in these reflections. You can't see any of the office apartment windows or anything like that in all of this wet floor right here. Whereas before you could see all of that. Well, the controller's haptic feedback is absolutely incredible. Every time I swing, every time I do a motion punch, I can feel the vibration in the controller, which makes me feel more immersed in the game. It's actually pretty cool. Not only that, but the L2 and R2 buttons are adaptive triggers, so there's some sort of resistance, say when I'm webbing. You can actually feel the resistance on those two buttons, which actually makes it feel more immersive again. So guys, let us know down in the comments what you liked about this setup, and a big thank you to PlayStation Australia, Aorus and Nvidia for supporting this project, because without them, it would not be possible. I'll also leave links to the DualSense controller and other various hardware used in this setup today down in the video description if you'd like to check it out a little further. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.